this warm brotherly salam from Kyrgyz nation.
Kızlarga bilim berүү boyunça Pakistanda чогулган демилге үчүн өтө маанилүү ишке терең ыраазычылык билдирем.
And thank you very much for this initiative and providing, organizing and spending this very important international conference deal with the girls' education. It's very serious and very important agenda of today.
Биздин чогулган платформабыз бири-бирибиздеги мүмкүнчүлүктөрдү, жетишкендиктерди алып, пайдаланып, бирге өнүгүүгө жана баарлашууга чоң мүмкүнчүлүк түзөт.
And so Pakistani side initiated and established this unique educational platform in this field. So all of us, we must use of this platform and work together.
Мен айрыкча ушул баарлыгыбызды баш коштурган демилгенин Пакистанда башталганына абдан кубанып турам.
And I'm very happy that this initiative initiated by brotherly Pakistan, and I'm happy that I am participating in this very important conference. Once again, Your Excellency Prime Minister, thank you very much for sharing time and meet with us.
My brother from Malaysia.
First of all, let me convey salam from Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim to our beloved Prime Ministers here and also the ministers. I wish to congratulate Prime Ministers and the Minister of Education for the cooperation done with Rabita Al-Alam Al-Islami for organizing such a very important conference. I think this particular conference is very important from the Malaysian government side. Although Minister of Education is not present, so I'm basically representing the government, and I wish to express my gratitude and thanks to the government of Pakistan for allowing me to represent my government to speak. And I think the question of participation of women in education, I think is of paramount importance with the current situation. And the conference, which is held jointly by Government of Pakistan and Rabita Al-Islami, will allow me especially to share the experience in Malaysia. I think this is one of the achievement, and I think the conference which is organized by the government of Pakistan here, I think will allow us to share the experience, and of course I think this will be a great opportunity for Pakistan and also Rabita to show and demonstrate how important education is as far as the women. The Prime Minister has rightly placed a position that this conference is very important. And the other thing, Honorable Prime Ministers, I wish to state here how impressed I am when our Prime Ministers, when he spoke in the conference today. I think very seldom Prime Ministers can use both language, Arabic and also English. And I was really impressed, Honorable Prime Ministers, your ability in mastering the Arabic language. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Excellency. Now, His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Shamim Ali Saeed from Maldives.
Excellency, thank you very much for the kind invitation to attend the conference. Actually, I have very good memories with Pakistan. I studied in Pakistan 30 years ago. I was in Lahore. That time the governor of Punjab was Shehbaz Sharif. Today he is the Excellency, the Prime Minister of Pakistan. I am really proud of this moment.
तो फिर पंजाबी में बात करें.
अभी भूल गया sir. Actually, sir, that time I really remember those days. Actually, we were getting everything freely, food and accommodation and transportation. Even the public bus, we show the student card, they are not getting money from us. Today we are here because of this effort done by the Pakistani people. Today I really thank from the bottom of my heart. I can say thank you Pakistan, thank you Pakistani people. Regarding the conference, Excellency, the first message of Islam is to read, to educate. Allah Azza wa Jal says, "Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq." We have to implement this message among human beings. So we really thank the initiative taken by Your Excellency and the Muslim World League to implement this message among human beings. Thank you very much, Excellency.
Excellency, Ms. Habiba Tao, Minister of Basic and Secondary Education, Gambia.
I am very delighted, and I bring to you all warm greetings from the Republic of the Gambia under the leadership of His Excellency Mr. Adama Barrow. I want to join colleagues to express my delight for the hospitality that is accorded to all of us by the Pakistani people. It is a great country, a nice country, and I am very happy to be associated with this very important conference of girls' education, which demonstrates the commitment of the Pakistani government under your leadership, Your Excellency, to advocate for education, not only for all, but in particular for girls. I have heard the messages during the opening. These are reassuring messages. These are inspiring messages. And these demonstrates again our commitment as an ummah, as Muslim countries, to support our girls so that they too can attain their aspirations and they can thrive and contribute meaningfully to nation building of their respective countries. On this note, I feel so honored and delighted to participate in this August conference. Thank you.
Thank you very much. His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Adil Nasir.
First of all, I would like to convey congratulations to His Excellency Prime Minister and all the members, all the Pakistanis, on behalf of our President Dr. Mohammed Moise and the people of the Maldives, for bringing the whole world together and a successful conference, holding a successful conference on the honor of girls' education across the world. In fact, Pakistan has been a close friend to Maldives, and also it has you are a leading country in the spread of Islamic knowledge and Islamic culture in the world. Today, you have made again another milestone by initiating and conducting this particular conference. So we thank you all who are involved in this organization of this conference. So thank you very much again, once again, Prime Minister. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Deputy Prime Minister.
Thank you, Prime Minister. Once again, I join Prime Minister welcoming you to Pakistan. It's been a great honor. The job and the objective is very noble, and particularly the girls' education in the Islamic societies. So we heard very inspiring speeches today in the plenary. Prime Minister has spoken his mind, and he has undertaken a number of reforms in Pakistan. First as Chief Minister in the province of the largest province of Pakistan, Punjab, and now second time Prime Minister of Pakistan. So goals and are compatible with the funding allocation and resources he has included in the budget. So we are looking forward to work with you very closely.
बैनुल-अक़वामी कॉन्फ्रेंस में शरीक वज़राए तालीम और मंदूबीन की वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ और काबीना अरकान से मुलाकात हुई है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ से मुलाकात के दौरान तमाम मंदूबीन और वज़राए तालीम ने अपने ख़यालात का इजहार भी किया। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म ने कहा कि ख़वातीन की तालीम से मुतालिक कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत के लिए आप सबकी आमद के मशकूर हैं। खुसूसन लड़कियों की तालीम के सिलसिले में बहुत से चैलेंजेस का सामना है। पाकिस्तान में 2 करोड़ 20 लाख से ज़ायद बच्चे इस वक्त स्कूलों से बाहर हैं और स्कूल से बाहर बच्चों में जो ज़्यादा तादाद है वो लड़कियों की है। ख़वातीन को तालीम की फराहमी के लिए मुश्तरका काविशों को फ़रोग़ देना होगा।
थाना कचहरी में वहाँ भी झगड़े होते हैं। जब फसल आती है ना, कोई ग्रोवर को पैसा मिलता है तो सारा आधा पैसा तो वो अपने लड़ाई, अपनी अनाएं, अपनी मूछें हमारी ऊंची रहें। मैं
all these measures and coordinating with the provinces. So I would once again like to thank you for your visit. I think this is a great moment to meet all of you and great opportunity to strengthen our relations. Thank you.
Thank you, Prime Minister. Mr. Prime Minister, your participation, your support and your concerns are very important and very vital in this conference, and I am thankful to all of my colleagues from the brother countries. Their participation is very